Realme launched its new budget-friendly phone under Narzo series in India called Realme Narzo N61. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo N61 features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 560 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen is protected by reinforced glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Uni SoC T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme Narzo N61 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 32-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 14, with Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is also armor shell protected for drop resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.26 by 76.67 by 7.84mm, and it weighs around 187 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo N61 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 6,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 7,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 6th in marble black and voyage blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo N61 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.